orders out of the way. Time for haste, come and play. I rhymed a little there. Yeah. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier, and today we're gonna be watching The Idea of You. It's a rom-com that was released this year. It stars Anne Hathaway and Nicholas Galitzine. I'm sure you pronounce that name. It's on Amazon Prime. Just to be clear with you, over the last few weeks I've tried to record reactions for Anyone But You and With Her Met Sally. Just threw a little rom-com buzz in there. I know I still have some videos to release and I haven't yet. They're gonna be pushed back, but you know, that's life. It happens. It'll come out eventually. Trust. But yeah, so this has been getting a little buzz. It's been released like this week, but I'm recording it so this past week. So yeah, I figured why not give it a watch to get back in the groove and entertain a little. Give you my perspective on it. So based on the acclaimed contemporary love story of the same name, The Idea of You centers on Celine, played by Anne Hathaway, a 40-year-old single mom who begins an unexpected romance with 24-year-old Hayes Campbell, Nicholas Galitzine, the lead singer of August Moon, the hottest boy band on the planet. Apparently I've seen some Harry Styles, like he's supposed to be like a Harry Styles, what do you call it? Oh yeah, I don't remember what you call it, but yeah, it's like a fake Harry Styles. I mean, use that the Harry Styles persona, Harry Styles type of person. I think it's like a, maybe it's like, is this a Wattpad thing? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so enough of that. Let's start watching. Let's get into it. Oh, Amazon owns MGM. Interesting.
Absolutely.
Blood and Water. Wrong network. Not network. Wrong streaming service. That's Netflix.
Did you get to meet August Moon? Not really into them anymore. Now it's more about like aggressively talented female singer-songwriters.
Which I think is great.
Of course. Oh, they're here.
Hey, change in musical taste. It happens.
Going camping alone.
Yes.
And why would you do that?
Seriously, why wouldn't I do that?
Bears, serial killers.
Telling me that hiking is essentially more safe than walking down a street at night. That is exactly what I'm saying.
I just want you to be happy and have the best time.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Yes.
No, but like really though.
What is going on?
Is everyone so concerned about her?
Being selfish teenagers.
Is she like recently divorced or recently single?
Have so much fun and, good, stupid, not stupid,
I
stupid.
know.
Okay.
I love you. I love you.
Bye, Celeste. Thank you. Love you
Bye.
too.
Have so much fun.
Okay, so her name is pronounced Selena? Oh, I thought it was Celine. Alright, okay. Good to know. Selena. Oh, that guy! Where did I know him from? I know him from a show. I'll figure it out later, but I know him from somewhere. I've seen his face before.
Stoked. Very.
Cool.
Oh!
So,
It's from Veep. That's where he was one of the aides to Selena.
Or pickleball. Come play pickleball. You've heard of pickleball, right?
Oh,
So
pickleball.
much fun.
You
You don't even have
this
to be
new
athletic.
thing.
Pick it up and
Yeah.
Ava's really good. She can.
I need to try that one day. I need to try pickleball one day. People got rave about it, so I have to try it once, at least once.
go. We gotta go.
Please.
Okay?
Yes?
Yes. Okay, I'm going to get my sandals. Is
So,
Oh, okay.
I do. I know.
you do.
Alright, so this is how she meets this, whatever his name is. the singer guy. This is how she meets him. Okay. Cause I wonder how is she gonna meet him if she's going camping now? Is it because she meets him through the daughter because the daughter and him vibe and they connect later or something? But okay, this is how. I understand.
This your first time?
Sorry?
Getting mooned. What? Moonhead. Always the moonhead. Good one. See ya.
She's just trying to get away from that lady. She's not going to the bathroom. Oh wait, I think she might actually be looking for the bathroom. Whoops.
Oh shit, my bad, bro.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, you want to use the bathroom?
Yeah. Thanks.
Jesus. Nice little setup. I like it. I like it so far. I like that.
Are you a part of that ASMR community that gets out? Because I don't think you can just go around assuming.
It's actually my trailer.
Absolutely know who you are. Anyway, I'll.
This is cute. I like it. It's cute.
To I don't know, hang out.
Hang out?
There's kombucha, which in case you never tried it, it's like kind of a salad dressing.
I have never tried it actually. I need to try kombucha one day.
I do think she will be a future nostalgic fan, but at this moment today, right now, you are so 7th grade.
Eee,
Yeah.
ouch.
Two
Ouch.
parts, doesn't it? For her father, not your husband.
Oh, sly. I.
No, I'm fine, Jody.
Okay.
Thanks, Jody.
Jodie did not care at all. She just used to it, I guess.
For that, but August Moon is just like so.
7th grade.
No.
Yeah, epic, yeah. She was gonna say
Epic?
August Moon is so
Okay.
epic. Yeah. Hey there, I'm Zeke Randall, Campbell Hall High School class.
And still don't know your name.
Tell me name.
Solen.
Oh, is that French?
Just French grandparents.
Selene, the big sister, I'm guessing?
Hey, nice.
Solen, the mom.
Yes, my mom.
Don't look like my mom.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Oh, Oliver doing a little flirting on behalf of his. All right. I will try wingmanging it up. I like it. I like it. That was his name, right? Oliver? Yeah, I think so. Alright, song of a little bosses, isn't it? It's a little vibes. I dig it. Is he gonna call her up on stage or something? Is he gonna engineer that situation? He shot his shot. Hey, gotta hand it to him. You got the platform, shoot your shot. Big up you, Hayes.
You're not even a person until you hit 30. I mean, just think about it, right? And then you spend the next 10 years after that trying to figure out the type of person you want to be.
That is profound.
That is drunk.
Profound and drunk. It can be both. It can be both.
How long ago did you guys split up?
Split is such a specific word.
Huh?
I'm just gonna say it. I would like you to accompany me next week to a restaurant for a meal of food.
A date.
It's been rocky for a while, let's put it that way. Oh, sorry.
It's her.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
Hi, honey. Yeah, I'll be home soon.
Not the kind of rocking where you're broken up. You're still with her. You're still married to her. You're still her husband. You still go home to her at night. Can you believe this guy? Can you believe that? Oh my, wow. Well, he knows where she works, or not necessarily knows specifically, but he should have an idea. Google assistance would be able to help him figure out where it is.
We need you up front, like, now.
Okay. Okay, is everything?
He's there. Ace is there.
Ow.
Hey,
Hi.
I don't know if you remember me, but we met in Coachella.
Yes, I remember you. So these pieces were thrown by a fantastic potter we work with called Susan Habel.
She threw them at the wall. My home. Honestly, I think I'll take all of it.
This is real art. These are real artists. They take their work very seriously, as do I. They made it with a great deal of care, and you're coming in here like, I don't know, like you're buying apples or something.
I would really like to buy it if it's okay with you.
Okay.
You have never seen me buy apples before.
Exactly. You have not seen him buy apples. You don't know.
It's fucked up.
Exactly. You can't judge him like that, man. You can't judge him like that.
To go to Glendale for the longest time. You have no idea.
Middle of nowhere, Glen.
Yes, exactly. He has been dying to go to Glendale.
What do you see?
It's a grid. It's grid-like. It's numerical, which means that. Please, I've got nothing.
So the artist calls this piece a self-portrait. Now what she's showing is that she's not some untouchable genius in a rarefied space. This is her life as an artist.
Oh,
I find its honesty incredibly moving.
I like it. I like it, actually. I like it. I get it. The explanation makes sense to me.
What do you feel when you look at it?
Everything.
It's worth. I think we met in a very interesting way.
Yes, that it was.
And you know, you're also you're hot or whatever.
Yeah, very true. She is hot.
Or whatever.
Guys that I like sucked her tits or whatever.
What?
Like licked her tit or whatever.
I guess what I'm doing here is just trying to get to know you better.
Well, I do appreciate your honesty.
Honesty's always best, they say.
Oh no, I mean this has definitely got like a week left in it for sure.
Oh my God!
No, it doesn't.
Why would you do that?
He's good.
No,
Sure,
that's
okay.
yours.
Oh, okay. Mum remarried to
Darren from Scunthorpe. Good show, eh? Very like.
You're not a fan?
I mean, he's nice enough, he's just a twat. And he's from Scunthorpe, which is a bit of a shit.
Okay.
He's not bad, really.
What about your dad?
Dad's wanted a lot more of a relationship in the last few years, which is really funny timing given that he wasn't really there for the first 16 years of his life. Now he wants to be best
Once he got
friends.
famous, that's when he wanted to. Alright, I get it.
This Daniel guy, ex-husband, what happened there?
Really? Not even a small question to warm us up a little bit? Like, hey, Solen, what's your favorite color?
Hey, Solen, what's your favorite color?
This is actually very personal.
Oh yeah, come on guys. What are you doing? Ask their favorite color? Wow. Way too deep, man. Way too deep.
Oh, you want to know the worst thing that can happen when you open up to someone?
Nothing.
Please tell me.
Nothing bad can happen to that. Nothing bad can happen there.
There was distance. There was a drift. But I thought, okay, that's normal. Cheated on someone else? And the whole table went silent. Like, you know that feeling when you walk into a room and you know everybody was just talking about you?
Oh, they knew something about you.
At Daniel, and he won't look at me.
Oh, he was cheating on her. Yikes.
I offered to forget it. I said that for us, for our family, for the good of our family, I mean, people make mistakes. I'll forget it. He didn't want to move past it. He was in love. That, in my experience, is the worst thing that can happen when you open yourself up to someone.
Not that bad. It's not that bad. It was very PG. Very simple. Nothing bad to that. Nothing bad.
Eating great fucking sandwiches.
They are great, aren't they?
The best.
Maybe we're not all done.
Very good point.
I'll take that under consideration, Hayes Campbell.
Oh, please. Not the name.
Do you not like that?
It just doesn't tell the whole story.
He can play the piano too, so he's not just the vocalist. Okay. So if he does go solo, he can do little ballads and stuff on the piano. I get it. Oh. Okay then. Oh, this is good. This is very good. Very, very good.
I'm too old for you. I could be your mother.
You're not.
But I could be.
You're not.
Exactly. You're not his mother. Why did I sound Irish there?
No. Want to take you back to your hotel? I can't do this.
Why's that?
Because you're you and I'm me and we just don't fit.
You don't know that. You're just guessing.
Glad you enjoyed the sandwich.
Legendary.
Okay. Kinda slick. Left his watch, so he has a reason to come back. Smooth. This guy's experienced.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh my god, are you high? Did Tracy give you a gummy again?
No.
She's high of hormones. She's in the zone. I don't remember what kind of hormones would have been. Initially, I can't remember the name, but yeah, she's high off that. That's what she's high off.
Okay. Bye, 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 bye. I love you. Bye, bye, and you have a good summer.
I will.
Love you. Bye. Thank you. I'm sorry. No, no.
The order is out of the way. Time for Hayes to come and play. I rhymed a little there. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. She knows who it is. Back to the important. Come on. He's getting to the important business. The kiss was more important than the art. Come on. She's going. She's gonna be there. 1.8 million views? Is that what it says? Or is that billion? I don't know. Is it a B or M? Looks like a B. Is she gonna say that she's returning this watch and that's why she's going there? I think so.
Hi.
I would love to open my door and there's Anne Hathaway right there waiting to come inside. That would be a dream. Let me tell you right now. Let me tell you that. Woo!
Good. Uneventful.
Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Woo!
Oh my god. I brought you your watch.
See? I knew she'd mention the watch.
Well, I think it looks a lot better on you.
He's good with his hands. Not just with his voice. Hey, good at him. Good with the hands, not just with the mouth.
I know, but it looks so good.
Hey, buttons over functionality. Alright.
Dance on, dance on!
Oh, they're doing a very good job of showing how attracted to each other they are. I know, fun, how much fun they're having. Good job. Good job. Good job, man.
Is that the same song you were playing at my house on the piano?
Mm-hmm.
I like it. It's good.
They told us it wasn't necessary. Yeah. You wanna hear a story?
Oh, so you just turned the guitar and the piano just because you wanted to? Just for its own dedication? Alright.
You're not a joke.
That would reassure me a whole lot, right? I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that right now. That would be all the reassurance that I needed.
I'm leaving this afternoon to go on the European leg of my tour.
Don't worry. I'll be out of your hair before you know it.
And I was really hoping you'd come with me.
She can't. She has a job.
Gallery. I have to.
I literally bought all of the
work.
art in your gallery, so I mean, don't your artists need some more time to make some art?
I did not bring enough.
That is not a problem.
Hey everyone, this is Solange. She's my art consultant.
Hi.
And Hathaway, this looks like so classy. She looks like I know I'm being effusive about how classy and attractive she is, but like look at her. Look at her. It's literally right there. It's not. You cannot comment on it. You cannot not comment on it. Yo. Take your time. Don't mash up the people them place, so.
You having a good time?
Oh no. She got tapped.
In Paris.
It's still reckless.
It was. Doesn't matter. Yeah, and it just the looks. It was kind of like, oh, oops, got caught, got caught. She getting self-conscious around the young girl, and I get it. Oh, come on, Anne. Sorry, what's her name?
She just finished her junior year at Campbell Hall.
Oh my god. I have a friend who graduated Campbell Hall 2 years ago. That's crazy.
Now that
Yeah.
I know. Now that you're with Solange, you're like a middle-aged man. You know, before you showed up, he behaved like an actual pop star.
Did you just say?
And And then Hayes, you know, really upped the ante when he dedicated a song to me.
Closer?
Yes.
Of course, that was the one.
We do that when one of us finds a girl, or in Hayes' case, a woman. Cute. We pretend to change the set list at the last minute.
Oh.
It's a bit.
He did it for that Swedish actress who was like...
Hayes told you that, didn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, why are you doing it?
She was like 33 and clueless. It was like so awkward.
Oh shoot, I forgot my thing I just needed. So excuse me, sorry. Just gotta grab it.
Why'd you do that?
Do what?
You know what you did.
What an asshole.
You know what you did, Oliver. You know what you did. That was not cool. That was not cool.
You are very, very beautiful, and I fell for your fuckboy move. It's even fun that you have a type.
I actually liked
You know what, Hayes?
Not that that's any of your business.
I got swept up in the idea of you.
The name of the movie.
Whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Father of my child lied to me for a year, and all of his friends knew. Everybody knew except for me.
Trust issues.
You know, I know what it is that you're doing.
She's scared.
Bailing, you're running
Yeah,
away.
she is. She's right. You're right. You're right.
Away.
She is. She's running away.
And I'm writing music. God, the music I'm writing now, I actually feel like I care about it. So why on earth would I want this to end?
2,000 years later.
This is what you say. Oh, of course, Hayes.
Yeah, this is where you're supposed to say that.
I can't say that.
If the roles were reversed, do you think anyone else would give a shit? Or judge? I mean, did anyone with Daniel and Eva?
Izzy did. Tracy did. I did.
Oh, he was cheating.
So what? You're ashamed of me? Was that it?
I am
Yes. So the answer is yes.
ashamed.
Exactly. Harsh. Cold. Scared. She kept the watch all this time. Something is there waiting for her. Not someone. Oh, is it the painting that the unclosed me or whatever it's called? The one that made her feel everything?
I had a price cap, so I bought her watercolors at an easel.
Well, that's cool. I mean, you know, she's got something cute.
I'm leaving him. Why are you telling me this?
Because I wanted you to know the truth.
Oh, in case he lies. Okay.
Do you want to get Thai food with me sometime?
No.
Okay.
Worst thing she could have said was no, and she said no, so, yeah.
When Daniel does it, it's gross, but if I were to do it, it would be fine.
Yeah, because I hate him and I love you.
Okay. That makes sense. You forgive stuff for your friends instead of the people you hate. It happens. Is she watching Graham Norton just to hear English people and be reminded of him? Is that what that's saying? The photos got out. That was just hilarious. What a reaction.
Can I just tell you, you are my hero. Also divorced, you have inspired me not to lie about my age on my Hinge profile, so.
You're even prettier in person. Can I get a
Oh,
selfie
no,
here?
it's, no,
Thanks
Neil,
so much.
stop.
What? Come on, what am
Can
I...
we just trade? My daughter has had a crush on Hayes since she was like 10. And she is so heartbroken.
Why would you tell her that? People are weird. People are so weird.
Pisses me off that you lied to me. Like Dad lied, not suck.
I am so sorry. It will never happen again. I promise.
Is he a feminist? Because that's
I mean, he is still a guy,
right.
but yeah, he's a feminist.
Why would you break up with a talented, kind feminist? So, are you gonna do?
Romantic gesture?
We gonna dance before we walk, take a shot. I'm not putting it right in the pocket.
I like the song. It have a little vibes. Is it the same song? I think it was.
What I'm not okay with is how I treated you.
Yeah, you treated him badly.
Sorry. When you said this is the part where I was supposed to say that I felt all those things too,
She wanted to.
I was afraid.
We know, we know.
Maybe it doesn't have to end. Totally understand.
Need a moment. All right, I've had a moment.
Yeah. I knew it was gonna happen. It's gonna just take a yeah.
We'll just delete all our social media.
You sure?
Ignorance is bliss.
I took a little time to breathe. Normal lately. We're gonna dance before we walk off the moon, and I'm hitting the ground like a bucket.
Dance before we walk.
Dance before we walk. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
What's your end game here, bro?
Bro. Didn't realize we were on bro terms, Daniel.
How long are you gonna keep up this insanity with my wife?
Daniel?
Your ex-wife? Ex?
Is there something you'd like to say, Daniel?
As a matter of fact, there is. I mean, you're my wife. You're the mother of my child, and you're screwing this kid that she's had a poster of next to her bed since she was 10.
I'm not your wife. I was your wife. And you lied, cheated, and left. The only reason that I met Hayes was because you thought a business trip was more important than a bonding experience with your daughter. The whole white knight routine is falling a little flat.
Ooh, zing.
Also, she never had a poster of Hayes in her bedroom. It was Rory. It was always.
Exactly. Is she having second thoughts?
You're okay?
I mean, I didn't know my being happy would piss so many people
Oh, right. Did I not warn you? People hate happy women.
Yeah, apparently they do.
Kind of a lot.
Hey, what's going on? Drive, Mom. Who are those?
Drive, please.
Is she being bullied? She's being bullied. She's being bullied, yeah.
Oh, those are just some seniors asking if you could get a picture of Hayes' penis for them. Then there's that guy in band, Trevor, you know, that I really like. Well, we've been texting, and I thought he liked me too. But then you know what he said to me today?
Someone with a hit.
Tell your mom I turn 18 in a month. That's
Yeah, it's getting to her. Yeah. Music fans, not just music fans, sorry. Celebrity fans are awful people. They'll use the cover of the internet to say anything they want. And they feel protected so they can just still say it. If you saw them in person, they wouldn't say that to you though. They wouldn't say that to you.
Why'd you give me the watch? And why are we moving?
I can't do this anymore. It's too much for her. I mean, it's actually insane. I mean, she didn't sign up for any of this, and it's too much for her. And I have to put her first.
Let me just think about this for a second. I mean, look, I could quit.
No, you can't. They're gonna blame her. They're gonna blame her for that. No, you can't do that, bro. You can't do that.
It would just get worse.
Yeah.
Please don't do this, Selene. Please.
Please just go.
Are you not gonna fight for us?
Damn. That's so sad. Hate to see it.
I auditioned for the band when I was 14. It shouldn't ruin a whole life.
It's not going to. We're gonna have a big, beautiful life.
I love you, Sarah.
Yeah, it's what the career does.
I love you too.
Hey, he's fighting for it. He's fighting. I'll give him that. He's fighting for his love, his happiness, his relationship. He's fighting. If there's one thing you can give him, you can give him that. You gotta give it to him.
Just promise me you'll revisit this in 5 years. Izzy will be out of school, living her best life. And I'll be some D-list celebrity that nobody gives a shit about.
It's too long.
Yeah, a lot can happen in 5 years.
If you get a shot at happiness, you take it. And I will do okay.
You can't expect this. Just hey, 5 years later, let's do it. You know, life happens, stuff happens. You can't just This time, the watch has a different meaning. This time it means. Last time it was just like I pretend to get her to come back to me. This time it's just a memento. It's hope. The previous time it was like, oh yeah, this is gonna happen. This time it's just hope for that we are each other's happiness in the future, or that we find happiness, and this is just like a memento for each other. Just to have. Oh, 5 years later, what's gonna happen?
How's Chicago?
Good. I mean, like, freezing right now, but good.
Are you saying warm?
We can dreaming on what we might have been, or how it feels to start again.
LA? Any particular reason why LA?
There's someone I would like to see there.
You, Celine, that's who. Oh wait, I just realized that it has her name on it. I saw the Martian Collective before, but I didn't put it together that that's her last name. Celine.
You big dummy. I don't even care.
Nice. The power of love, man. The power of love. I felt the chemistry. They did their thing, man. They did their thing. I'm not gonna lie. They did their thing. Very good acting. I like the story. Would I have done anything different? I'm not sure about the end. With the whole 5 years later thing. But it's just like a thing of where, like, if it's meant to be, it'll be. I guess that's the message they're imparting there. I'm not sure about that, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm just gonna give it to them there. I'm not sure what different ending I would have put. Well, it kind of fell flat to me at the end right there with that. So to me, it would have been better if the movie ended when that Fade to Black, with the 5 years later thing, just before that, if that's when it ended. So that's just me, but you know, they decided to add a little bit of fate to it. So I don't know. Not my thing, but whatever. But yeah, overall as a movie, very good romance scenes. I felt the passion. This it was sensual. You you were enthralled. You were entrapped. Not entrapped. You were captivated by their attraction towards each other. You know, so big up them. Also, Nicholas was the one who did his own singing, so he has a nice voice. So I'll give him that. And the songs, I mean, they have local voice, some local vibes. I'm gonna think them. Yeah, sung them. Sung them did I go on. So the music, no complaints there. I was vibing to the songs. They were very much a boy band affair, and yeah, so that's what they were supposed to be, and that's what they did. So kudos to them. Love that. I appreciate that very much. That what they intended is what they gave us. So very not no, very good. Let me roll back there. Some good songs. I don't know if it's very good or great or well, but yeah, they weren't bad, but they were good songs. And I don't know, I just Anne Hathaway, what a beauty! Oh man, I said it out loud during the reaction. So wow, like ethereal, otherworldly. If I was Hayes Campbell, I too would have shot my shot. I too would have done everything he tried to do. I too, for her, she deserves it. Daughter or not, when you know, you know. You just gotta take a chance. So, yeah, pick up him. The age gap thing, that is something to talk about. Hmm. If the roles were reversed, it might have been seen as more problematic in a sense, because in you usually ascribe to the male more power. It's like a thing where the male has more power somehow, and not somehow. It's just it's a patriarchal society, so obviously it makes sense. But and so like with the see with her ex-husband and Eva, the power dynamic was really a factor there because he was like a senior, not a senior partner, but he was definitely a senior at where they at their workplace. So you could say, was that an abuse of power that forced that, not forced, but that caused that to blossom? That's something to consider. So, but with Hayes and Celine, um, he is one with the, you could say, the power dynamic there, and but he's the younger one, and he's the one who pursued her. She's not the one. She's not the one who was a cougar who was trying to latch onto him. He's one who tried, and at the time, he was at 24, so mid 20s, 24, 26 is the mid 20s. So I just felt it. So that's a 16-year gap. and her daughter was 16. Oh, wow, I didn't catch that. I just catching that right now. So yeah, that's interesting. But as long as they're consenting adults and there is no like abuse of like a power dynamic, and it's not a thing where the person is under like 24, 25. Because like you could say 21, but that's just getting to a debate. I don't want to get into it. It's like if you want to say like 24, 25 and consenting adults, everybody's over that. So as long as there's no abuse and it's not like a holding something over someone's head and everyone is okay, then do what you must. You're both adults. Like, up to you. But the aspect of like a celebrity meeting like a normal not a normal person, a regular member of the public, and you see people are awful. Wow, people are so awful to each other, especially behind the screen, where they wouldn't come up to you and say that. I said that during the restaurant. I'm saying, repeating it here. They wouldn't say it to you on the screen. It's very few people. Like the nasty comments that you see online directed to someone. Say like 100 people. Those 100 like oh, like one or two would ever think to say that to you in public. They would not. The rest of them, they're just like hide and like pretend to be fans of you. And like that lady that came up to her and like say, "Oh, you broke her daughter's heart." Why would you say that? Who cares? That's not, obviously her daughter cares, but how is that relevant to Anne's character? I forgot her name. Selene. That's not relevant to her. Your daughter is a teenager. He has no chance with Ace Campbell, who's in his 20s, mid 20s. He's a big man. Not a big man. He's a man. She's a girl. What? Be a better parent, please. Be a better parent. That is not how you be a better parent. Please. But anyway, so you can tell I liked it. So let's give it that. I said I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. This is similar to a rating like I'll give anyone but you would. I would say that reaction, like I said, I didn't had issues with that reaction. So new camera setup and everything. Was trying something in the workout, had to return it, and I was going back to what I used to do. I'll figure out to do different thing later on, but yeah. So just like that one, this one I liked the chemistry between the mains. Story. This was a better story than Anyone But You. The comedy in Anyone But You, I like better. This one, the romance hit more than that. So comedy hit better for Anyone But You. Romance hit better here. It's listed as a romantic comedy, so a rom-com. So hey, but yeah, so each have their different strengths and weaknesses, and everything balanced out to each give me both a 7 out of 10. I'm going to react to Anyone But You at a future time. Also, when I heard myself, I'm going to react again to it. Not anytime soon, but it's recent, fresh in my mind. Maybe I've only just watch it one time, so I will. Like a few months down the line, we'll see. So, in the meantime, this was a nice little rom-com that I can do. And since I was already doing like the other rom-coms, yeah, and so I like that I did. The idea of you is speaking of you are really in love with this person, you with every fiber of your being, but circumstances are just not making out that it's possible for you to be together at that time. Okay, so I see why they did 5 years later. Anyway, whatever. I already said. But this thing just keep coming up. But you're just like fated to be there, so eventually you will be together. And that's just it. So in the meantime, you just have to live with the idea of the person. And you accept them as they are. So even though you're living with the idea of them, you are actually in love with the actual person, not the idea of the person as a whole, as who they are, not the idea of them as presented by the public, or the public perception of Hayes Campbell. She knows the real him. That's who she's in love with, that idea of him, not the celebrity idea of him, the public persona of him. And so that is the idea of you. That's all you get. A normal single mom and a celebrity with awful fans and good fans and all that comes with it. They put their trust issues to the side. They conquered their fears and they proceeded to love each other, and eventually they found their way back to each other. So that's what I got from the story. Yeah, I dig it. Those are my thoughts. Goodbye.